Ever since this story broke, it's been nothing but twists and turns. Angelo Vargas is in the studio with how we wound up here. And Angelo, this all started back in 2015.
Well, the timeline for this case spans years, and it starts on March 2015. She was reported missing. AJ Angelica Hadsell was reported missing in Norfolk. A month later, on April 9th, 2015, her body was found behind an abandoned house in Southampton County. Now, the search for answers went on for years. Then on November 9th, 2018, her stepfather was indicted by a grand jury accused of murder. Now we know when Hadsell will face a jury February 24th with Governor Northam as one of the witnesses. The last pretrial hearing ended with a loss for Wesley Hadsell and his defense. We spoke with Hadsell's attorney, James Ellison, regarding some evidence they claim to be false.
Wesley went through certain items that were in the search warrant which were untrue.
Today in the courtroom, the judge explained there was not enough evidence to prove Hadsell's case. Ellison is staying optimistic about the case going against the state, though.
If there was a killing, if there was a murder, if there was a homicide, I don't think they can prove where it happened, even if it, but of course our position is that it didn't happen.
Ellison and the state will wait for the jury trial to begin to hear a new voice, Governor Northam's. The judge approved he has to testify in the case.
He was her treating physician at the time of her death, and so since there's some issues about how she died and what was the reason for the death, we just need to get all the facts out there.
Hadsell was indicted and accused of first-degree murder, second-degree felony murder, and concealment of a dead body. We've reported several years on AJ's disappearance, where her body was found by a Southampton County abandoned house. We interviewed Hadsell at the search party and inside prison when he was first arrested. Court documents show GPS coordinates that place Hadsell's work van at the house AJ was found at. Inside the van, work gloves, a shovel, dirt residue, and duct tape.
And Angelo, do we know when Governor Northam will testify?
Well, Hadsell's attorney tells us that he could testify in the second week of the trial. And this is a case we will continue to follow as we've been doing for the last several years now.
That's right.
All right.
Thank you.